Hi all, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I want to discuss about the difference between authentication and authorization. Basically, authentication establishes your identity, who you are. And in AWS, it is given by your user ID or role. So when you enter your user ID and password, you are authenticated. You are so-and-so person. You are Mr. So-and-so. Is established when you enter your user ID and password. But does that give you access to all the AWS services? No, that is actually controlled by the next part, which is authorization. It establishes your permissions. Example, are you authorized to launch an EC2? Are you authorized to create a S3 bucket, etc. In AWS, it is actually given by the permission policies. And if you think about AWS IAM, Identity and Access Management, identity corresponds with authentication and access management corresponds with authorization. Let me give another example. Authentication is like your passport. It establishes who you are, your name, your photograph, your date of birth, your parents' names, etc. But it doesn't give you permission to visit all the countries in the world. For that, you need visa. So authorization is like your visa. So that is the difference between authentication and authorization. Hope this short video was useful. I'll come back with more useful videos. Thank you. Bye.